Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to draw a hammer. It's very simple, it's very easy. It's basically only two parts of a hammer that you need to draw, so it's not complicated at all. So I'm going to break down how to draw it with you, and it's going to be very easy. Okay, the tools that you're going to need to draw this picture is just a basic pencil and then a pen. Okay, if you don't have a pen, that's okay. You just need a pencil that you can press down harder later on in the video, and I'll show you why. Okay, so first part that we're going to draw is the wooden body part of a hammer, okay? So take your pencil, draw on your paper, draw very lightly. Okay, you're just going to draw, it's kind of like a rectangle and an oval mixed together, but it's a very skinny one. Just lightly draw just like this. So you're going to want to have kind of a point at the top. Okay, and then you're going to bring down your line to kind of curve, squared off but curved. Okay, it's going to kind of look like a carrot, if you can draw a carrot. Okay. Okay, once you feel satisfied with that body of a hammer, we're going to move on to the top of it, the metal part of it. Okay, so how you're going to do that is you're going to start at the very tip of the hammer, and you're basically going to draw just a line, just like this. Just draw a line right there. Okay, once you've drawn that line, you're going to focus over here on this side of the hammer, the left side of the hammer. You're going to draw your line, and then you're going to have it dip down a little bit, dip back up a little bit, and draw your line to the left again. Then you're going to bring it down. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat what this looks like, but right here, down here at the bottom. So bring that over, you're going to curve back upwards, then back down, and then you're going to bring your line all the way back over here. Okay, but now you're going to curve upwards like a half circle. Just like that. Alright, from there, just bring your line back to the top and connect it over. There you go. Just like that. I'm going to extend the handle of my hammer a little bit farther down. Okay, so now that you've drawn the basic shape of your hammer, we're going to outline it. Okay, so I'm going to say start from the top left part of the hammer and bring it down. Then just follow your lines. Okay, I want you to notice that right here, I drew right over the handle. I didn't stop and then go back up and down. I just drew right over it. That's because this part of the handle is hidden underneath the metal. Okay, there you go. Now, once you've finished drawing, what I want you to do is I want you to take your eraser and I want you to go back in and erase all the pencil marks from underneath. Okay, all the light pencil work that you were doing earlier, I want you to go in and erase all of that. Okay, so while you're erasing all of that, I'm just going to draw a few little things here. So remember, erase all the pencil marks underneath your nice dark outline. Okay, once you've done that, now you're going to be left with the outline of your hammer. Okay, so now we're going to color in the top part, which is going to be a gray color. And then we're going to color in the body, which is a nice brown color. And there you go. You have a basic, simple hammer. Nothing much to it. Now, if you want to take it one step further, you can. You're just going to take your pencil or your pen again, and in the body of it, you're just going to draw little half triangles. Don't press it too hard. Kind of gives it this little wooden effect. Okay, so there you go. That's how you draw a hammer. Thank you everybody for watching. If you could do me a huge favor and just subscribe to this channel, I will bring you a lot more content. And if there's anything that you want me to draw, just request it in the comments. Okay, thank you very much.